See if you fans of Athletes and Spring recognize this. Just yesterday morning, they let me know you're gone. Suzanne plans me put an end to. I walked out this morning and wrote down the song. Just can't remember who to send it to. I've seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought would never end. I've seen lonely times and could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. Won't you look down on me, Jesus? You gotta help me to take a stand. You just gotta see me through another day. My body's aching and my time hasn't had, and I won't make it any other way. Oh, I have seen fire and I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely times and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you again. So I'm walking my mind to an easy time, my back turned towards the sun. Lord knows the cold wind blows like to turn your head around. Out of hours of time on the telephone line, talking about things to come. Sweet dreams and flying machines in pieces on the ground. Oh, I've seen fire, I've seen rain. I've seen sunny days that I thought they'd never end. I've seen lonely nights and I could not find a friend. But I always thought I'd see you somehow one more time again. Yes, thought I'd see you one more time again. There doesn't be things coming my way this time around. I thought I'd see you fire and rain. I thought I'd see you just one more time, Suzanne.